Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've totally been a little MIA, but I have been getting sick like over and over again in November. And oh my god, okay, as I'm like dying still. I think I'm almost done being sick, but I'm still waiting on a little bit of this throat action to go away. So yeah, don't mind me. I am going to unbox this month's BoxyCharm video. This is very late. I've had this for a little while. But again, like I said, I've been sick, been out of the game, but trying to make a comeback. Let's go ahead and get into this month's BoxyCharm. I always, every time I say that, I want to say BoxyCharm, but I'm not trying to like steal Kathleen's brand or nothing. So, anybody else? Anybody? In this month's box, when you open it up, there looks like that was a card like this. We got our card with all the prices. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the products really fast, and then at the end of this video I'm going to be showing how they work. So if you just want to know what's in the box, stay tuned for this part. If you want to know a little like mini review on everything, that'll be in the next half of the video. First thing that's in here that I personally saw was the brushes. This is the 4-piece Luxie premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. Oh, these are handcrafted. The Luxie Luminous eye set of 4 retails for $21. Also, I forgot to mention, this month's theme is gold digger. Not like gold, like gold digger. But everything is based around like a gold theme, which I love. I'm obsessed with. I like that so much. So these brushes are all gold and glittery. In this set, you get Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. It's a very fine blending brush. And then you have the Luxie 131 mini angled brush. You can use it in your crease. I don't know, I'm not always a fan of these kind of brushes. And then we have the 141 mini round brush, which is awesome for bottom, lower lash line and detail eyeshadow. And then we have the Luxie 11 mini flat angled. So it's kind of like similar to this, except for it has, I don't know if you can see, it has like a flat angle. Which for me, I feel like this brush set could do without the flat angled, and they should have added in like a larger fluffy blending brush like this. As you can see, these are like really different in size. And then the next thing in the box is these lashes. I am wearing them, but this is what they actually look like in the box. Mine is empty because they're on my eyes, but this box is super cute. I like this packaging. It's got the little magnet. This is the Lashaholic luxury lashes. I think BoxyCharm was really smart about putting these in the box because they're not like super overwhelming. They are more of like a natural lash that will go with pretty much any eye look. So I think they were smart about doing this because if you're a beginner or if you don't like lashes, they're good to experiment with. I think the one downfall that they have about putting these in is that not a lot of people use lashes, and a lot of people probably don't have lash glue. So it kind of sucks that it didn't come with any lash glue. These lashes retail for $14.99. The next thing in the box is, I'm just gonna go for like the little stuff first. This is a black eyeliner with silver glitters in it. It is called the JonteBlu Glittering Star Eyeliner. It retails for $5. The packaging is really cute, but it is a pencil, as you can see. Let's go for this right here. This is the eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette looks so beautiful. I was watching other people's videos because I do that. I don't wait to open my box. I'm not gonna lie. I've always watched videos even though I haven't received my stuff yet because I'm curious and I can't wait. I just can't wait. This is the Beaute Grandiose palette, and it has 4 shimmer shades, 4 bold mattes, and it retails for $24.99. This packaging is so pretty. I love this theme this month like so much. Clearly I watched Kathleen Light's video already, but when I was watching her video, she mentioned that it was like kind of Great Gatsby looking, and I totally agree with that, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So here is the palette. I think this is so gorgeous. This whole box is worth it for this alone, plus the last item as well. I think this box was incredible, and I'm gonna do some swatches for you as well. I think this was my favorite thing in the box. So gorgeous, love that. The last thing in the box is the CoverFX glitter drops in Nova. These, oh, these are pretty. Can you see them? These are glitter drops. These glitter drops retail for $44. That's insane. I don't know if I would ever actually buy these because that is just so expensive. So I'm really glad that they come in the box because it lets me try stuff that I'll probably never buy on the regular at the regular price. So now is the part where we try everything on. I started by using the eyeshadow palette. And I primed my eyes already, and I set that with Patchouli, which is this cream like beigey shade, and I just set that all over my eyelids. And then I took like this peachy shade that is called Clove in my crease, and to kind of like start the transition, you know. And then I took Cinnamon, which is very well named. It looks exactly how I would imagine cinnamon in an eyeshadow. I took that in my crease as my transition shade. And then I took the shade Poppy, which is like a deep plum, like burgundy color. And I started to deepen up the outer crease, the outer eye. I took the color Rose, which is like a pretty like pink shimmery, it's like a pinky red shimmery color. And I started putting this on the outer and inner portions of my eye. After I do that, I took the color Myrtle. It's just such a pretty like rose gold bronzy color, and I used my finger to pack it on the center part of my lid. And then after that, I took all the matte shades again in the palette and deepened everything up the exact same way that I first put them on. I used Jasmine as my brow bone highlight. I really tried to use like every single color in the palette, and I think I did pretty good. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. Everything blended perfectly. I really love every single color that's in here. I definitely think this is a unique palette in the sense that I would use every single color in here. Most of the time when there's a palette, there's usually like 1 or 2 colors that I like to retouch. So here's the lashes. I'm going to go ahead and try these. Also, while I'm letting my lash glue dry, I forgot to mention there was fallout with the palette. I think it had a lot to do with the brushes, but I would have used different brushes for certain things, so I think that there would be less fallout if I would have used my regular brushes. I just did something really dumb. I totally forgot to put on mascara first. When I was putting that on, I was like, why does this look so weird? I didn't put any mascara on yet. Okay, now let's put the lashes on.
Sometimes being sick, my voice is crazy.
Look, I just like got out of bed. Oh, it's not false. Oh my god, I can't wait to be normal. Normal? What's normal? I don't even know what normal is. For sure. Alright guys, lashes are on. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my face. Right back. And we're back. So got my a little bit of concealer on, some bronzer, and a little bit of blush. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this eyeliner. I'm just gonna put it on my waterline. I think that's all I'm gonna do with this. I'm not so sure I'm going to like this. I'm really picky about eyeliners, especially if they're a pencil. It was a little scratchy. I don't really feel like the little glitters are showing up that much, and it's not like black, black, black. It works. Not my favorite thing. It was a little scratchy. If you have watery eyes or sensitive eyes, you're probably not gonna like this. To be honest, I'll probably never use this again. I just have so many black eyeliner that work really good. Anyways, I'm just gonna ignore that. That fell on the ground. Alright, so I saved the best for last. Ooh. CoverFX glitter drops in the shade Nova. Oh, here she is. Ooh. I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply this. Okay. I'm really nervous about this. And like when you look straight on, it doesn't affect anything. Ooh, it's really pretty. Should I put some more? I wonder like how much is too much with this. I mean, it's glitter though, so like, is there a limit? Let's put some on the inner corner. Just gonna take a little bit off the dropper right here. These seem to be pretty buildable. Oh, these are so gorgeous. We're gonna do the lower lash line up pretty quickly. I'm going to use Cinnamon. I like this pencil brush, it's like the perfect size. And then I'm gonna take Poppy, this dark plum color. Ooh. Hello. I feel like that like changed the whole thing. In like a really good way. Ooh, yes. Okay, so that was everything in my box for the month of November. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love to watch BoxyCharm unboxings because it's just so fun to see what they put in the box every month. It's so worth it. If you're not familiar, it's a monthly subscription box that is only $21 a month, and the retail value for this month's box was $110. Oh, that's so incredible. I will leave a link to BoxyCharm in the description box below if you feel like checking it out. I don't make money off of it. I'm way too small of a channel to do anything like that at this point. But if you liked this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel. I do these every month, and I am excited for next month because next month is another Boxy Luxe. It's a new box that they just started doing. It's quarterly, so it's a larger like luxe box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think there's gonna be like a lot of really awesome things in that box. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe. Don't lose me in the big YouTube universe out there. There's a lot of us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!